Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tzatziki cucumber salad. This easy guide will walk you through creating a refreshing and flavorful dish perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering just a few simple, fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 large English cucumber, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Plus, a little salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. Now let's prepare our cucumber. First, wash and peel 1 large English cucumber, then grate it using a box grater. Place the grated cucumber in a colander and sprinkle it with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial for drawing out excess water. Finally, squeeze out as much liquid as possible using a clean kitchen towel. This ensures your tzatziki remains wonderfully creamy, not watery. Next, we'll craft the delicious tzatziki base. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 2 minced garlic cloves. Stir in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Then, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh dill and a pinch of black pepper. Mix all these wonderful ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined and beautifully creamy. This forms the heart of our refreshing salad. For the final steps, gently fold the squeezed grated cucumber into your prepared tzatziki mixture. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if you like. Cover the bowl and chill your salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your refreshing tzatziki cucumber salad as a delightful side dish, a light lunch, or a flavorful dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.